Japanese language has 3 writing systems, and then that's very different from other languages. And then we have Hiragana and Katakana, and I won't talk about this, letters, but they are phonetic letters, so it's relatively easy to learn. Well, not too easy, but still, if you learn each letter, you can read, because this is very phonetic. There are several exceptions, but still, it's relatively easy to read Hiragana and Katakana. If you'd like to, learn Hiragana and Katakana, I recommend my books. Yes. So, but kanji is very different. Kanji shows the meaning of each letter, well, character. It doesn't show the how to read. And then, originally we imported kanji characters from Chinese language. And then in Chinese language, each character's pronunciation is almost always just one. Yes. So in Chinese language, if you memorize one character, the same character should be pronounced in the same way in, always. But in Japanese language, no. Yeah. The reason is we imported kanji, and then we imported the pronunciation of Chinese language, but our ancestors noticed, oh, this kanji character means this meaning, and then we Japanese have this word in Japanese language, original Japanese language. So they imported Chinese language pronunciation, Chinese words, but also attach Japanese word to the same character, because this character represents the same meaning of this Japanese word. Yeah, so that's why our ancestors used kanji in a little bit complex way. So that's why each character has several readings. That's the difficult part of kanji learning. So, and then when you start learning kanji, the common problem is, for example, kanji learning takes time. First, there are so many stroke orders, there are so many strokes, and then so many kanji characters. Officially, we have 2,160, I suppose, yeah, kanji characters officially, but we use a bit more. So, yeah, lots of kanji characters. So it takes time to master. Yes, so that's the one problem. And second is kanji learning is sometimes not so interesting. Yes, it is. It shouldn't be, but many learners just try to write, because kanji character is a little bit difficult to write. So many students try to writing, do lots of writing practice, and then they found, oh, it's very boring. So because just write. So they found it's difficult. So that's the second problem. And then, because there are so many, you don't feel your progress, and then your motivation is goes down. So that's the another problem most students have. So today I'd like to show you how to learn kanji more practically. So I don't show you any writing here today. I focus on how we use kanji characters and how we how you can build up your vocabulary when you learn kanji. So more practical, or more reading, to develop reading skills when you learn kanji. So that's the way I'd like to show you today. Okay. So kanji learning has 2 steps. The first one is understand the meaning of each kanji character, because each kanji character represents the meaning. So the first thing, that Japanese kids, Japanese people do is understand each character's meaning. And the second is learn kanji words. Yes, learn the kanji words to expand our vocabulary. So not just character, but how character is used in the real words. Yeah, and then this is the method almost all Japanese kids learn at school. Yeah. We spent 9 years to master all 2,160 kanjis in our, official kanji list. Yeah, so it's from, the primary school to junior high school. Yeah, so it takes 9 years for us to master all the kanji. But our main focus is understand how each character is used in each word. So I'd like to show you how actually it works. Okay. Hi, Sarah-san, konnichiwa. Yes, I find them quite easy to learn but difficult to remember. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's true. So, all right, thank you so much, Sarah-san, to comment. Yes, and then sometimes a little bit time happens, but if you have any questions or comments, please type in the comment box. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so let's try. So I'd like you to feel how you can learn kanji. So today I prepared 10 kanji characters, and I don't know how much you've already learned kanji. So I try to, get a little bit different kanji characters. So hopefully you find you don't know well, or even though you've already know it, you find it's relatively easier to learn or memorize them. Okay, so the first character is this one. Yeah, as you can see, it looks like just one line, so it means one. Yeah, so it represents the mathematics, the mathematical number, pure number one. Okay, number one. And then I don't show you how, maybe some of you already know each kanji character had several readings, like on readings and then kun readings. But today, I'd like you to focus on how each character is used in words, vocabulary. So that's why I don't show you the on reading or kun readings for each, character. Okay, I'd like you to focus on the meaning of this character. Okay, so this character means one, and how we use it. So first, yes, one. It means, number one. And then we pronounce it ichi. Ichi. So this is the first word we learn. Okay, so this kanji character is ichi. And then this ichi is like mathematical number. So when you, like additions or, that kind of, mathematical activity, we use this ichi. Okay. And then when we count object, we don't use just one, okay? We use the word set called counter. And then if you can see one, and then hiragana tsu, we pronounce it as hitotsu, and then we use this word to count object, okay? So hitotsu, right? So that's the difference. So you've already learned two words, okay? All right, so let's go to the second character. This is, you can see 2 lines, so it means 2. Okay, so 2. And then again we use this character means number 2, and the pronunciation is ni. Okay, and then when we count 2 objects, 1, 2, we use this kanji character and then tsu, and then it means futatsu. Futatsu. So you can see when we use the same character, we pronounce it ni, yeah. But when we use the same character with tsu, and its meaning is count 2 objects, the pronunciation of this character is changed, futatsu, yeah. So that's the way the Japanese kids learn how to pronounce kanji character. It's very difficult to just focus on character, but actually we focus on word. Okay, so we learn, okay, in this word we pronounce this kanji character as futatsu. Okay, so you've already learned 4 words. Okay, the next one is this character. It means sun, the sun, and then day. Why day? Because the in traditional concept, one day means sun goes up and then sun goes down. So that's why one san means one day. So that's why this kanji character means day. Right. So, can you guess the meaning? Yes. So this is number 2. And this character means sun or day. So it means the second day or 2 days. Yeah, not 2 suns, okay? But it means one sun cycle, one day, and then 2 sun cycle. Okay, so second day. So, and then this word has 2 meanings. The period of time, 2 days, or the second day of the month. And then we pronounce Futsuka. Futsuka. Alright? So Futsuka means 2 days or the second day of the month. Okay? Alright. Then this one. Can you guess what it means? Yes. 1 and then 1 sun. So it means 1 day. Yeah. And then this one is a little bit tricky because we have 2 pronunciations. So one is the meaning, the first day of the month. We pronounce this word as 1日. 1日. Okay? And then when we use this same word as 1 day, the length of time, okay, the period of time, 1 day, we pronounce the same word, same kanji word as 1日. 1日. Yeah? So that's the tricky bit of kanji learning because exactly same kanji is used, but if the meaning is slightly different, we use a different pronunciation because we have a different, Japanese word previously, and then we attach the meaning to the same kanji word. So that's why we have 2 pronunciations. And then if you read this word, this kanji word on the text, you have to guess, this kanji word means the first day of the month, so 1日, or 1 day, 1日. Okay? So that's a little bit difficult part of kanji learning. But if you focus on the meaning and the word, I hope it's relatively easier to understand. Okay, and the next kanji character is this one. And then I show you the meaning of this kanji character in the bracket because nowadays we don't use this kanji character as it is, and then we use this kanji character always with another one, and then it means week. Okay, and then not exactly the word week. So that's a little bit difficult part. So let me show you. So this one, yeah. So the first character means sun. And then second part, these 2 characters means a day of the week. Okay? And so it means Sunday. Sunday. So this kanji character always used with the next character, sun. And then it means a day of the week. And then we pronounce it as 日曜日. 日曜日. Yeah? So you can see the first kanji character is pronounced as nichi, and the second one is pronounced as bi. Yeah, so even the same character we pronounce different way because the meaning is different. The first character represents the meaning sun, and the second one is used with this kanji character and it means a day of the week. Yeah, and the 日曜日. I hope it makes sense. So far, so good? Yeah, I hope so. Right, so the next one is this one, moon. If you imagine this one is like the crescent moon shape, yeah, that's the original of this kanji. And then we create this kanji character, moon. And the character sun represent 1 day because sun goes up and the sun goes down, means 1 day. And this kanji character also represent a month, because traditionally we use lunar calendar. So 1 moon cycle from new moon till full moon, new moon again. That 1 moon cycle represents 1 month. So that's why this kanji character also means month. Okay? So, if you see this kanji character, can you guess the meaning? If you can guess the meaning, that's brilliant. Yeah. The first kanji character represents number 1. And the second kanji character means moon, but also means month. So this word means 1 moon cycle. It means first month and January. Yeah, in Japanese language, we don't have the fancy word like January. We just count each month. So first month of the year is this one, and we pronounce it as 1月. So 1 number 1, and then 月 month. Yes, 1月. Sorry, I should with the alphabet one. Yeah, 1月. Okay. And slightly different, isn't it? But you can guess this is 1, and then again this is moon. So maybe it's 1 month. So this one is actually the length of time. Yes, 1 month long. 1 month period of time. Yeah. And then we pronounce it as 1ヶ月. 1ヶ月. So just the difference of this word, the first month of the year is 1月. So we pronounce this word as 月. But when we mention 1 month long, 1ヶ月. So the same kanji character is pronounced as 月. So I show you this one. 1ヶ月. Yeah. So now you've learned 1 month, this one. And then the first month of the year, January, 1月. Okay. Right. So this one, maybe you can guess. This is 2, and then month. And then, okay, no hiragana here. So this means 2 moon, second month, and then February. Yeah, so this word means February. And we pronounce it as 2月. 2月. Okay, so 2 months. And then, again, if you can see ka here, this is 2 moon, 2 months long. So 2ヶ月. 2ヶ月. Yeah. Maybe if you haven't learned this period of time words, it's relatively a bit, so many words you've already learned. So it's a bit confusing. But you can watch this, webinar later. So I hope you can, revise if you need. But, once you understand each character's meaning, you can guess what it means. So that's really the good part of kanji. Yeah. So we Japanese, when we start learning kanji, and then when we, encounter any new kanji word, we try to guess the meaning. Yeah. So that's the way we understand. And then sometimes we need to learn how to pronounce it, because even though we understand or we can guess the meaning, we don't know how to pronounce it. So we should use dictionary, or we should ask to adults and then how to read the kanji words. But this is the way we learn new kanji words, and we use our guessing to understand each word meaning. Okay, right. So can you guess its meaning? So 1, a moon or month, and then 2, and day. So this means first month, second day. So January the 2nd. Yeah. And then we pronounce it as 1月2日. 1月2日. Okay. Yes. So this is the romanized version. 1月2日. Okay. And then the different. Yeah. So 2 moon and 1 day. So 2 months, second month, first day means February the 1st. 2月1日. 2月1日. The first day of the month has special word. So 1日. Yes. So this is very special pronunciation. So you need to memorize. Yes. Yeah. So the same, this word, if we use this word as the first day of the month, we pronounce it as 1日. Okay. Yeah. And can you guess? So this is moon. And then these two characters means a day of a week, day of the week. So this is moon day means Monday. 月曜日. 月曜日. Yeah. So it seems we share the same concept of the Monday. Yes. Yeah. I've heard Monday also means moon day. So yeah. So we use the same concept, means moon day. The 月曜日. Okay. So we've learned so many things so far. So let's try how you can guess the meaning of each word. You've learned so many words and characters so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 characters. And then not 6, but we have more words so far. Yes, so this one is moon and then the week, day of the week. So it means 月曜日, Monday. And then this is number 1. And then 2, you can see this is a counter to count object, 一つ. And this one, number 2. And then you can see sun also means day. So this is Futsuka. The meaning is the second day of the month or 2 days. And this one, sun, and a day of the week. So Sunday. 日曜日. This one, 1. And then 1 moon cycle means month. The first month of the year, so it means January. 1月. Okay. And then this one, 2. And then ka. Hiragana ka. And then month. So it means 2 months long, the period of time. 2ヶ月. 2ヶ月. Are you right? I hope you're all right so far. Yes. Yeah, I include so many things in a very limited time. I hope you understand how we Japanese learn each character's meaning and how we guess the meaning of each kanji character and then, check the pronunciation. That's the way we Japanese learn kanji words. Okay, so let's do 5 more characters. Yes. So this is one kanji character, but you can see here is sun and here is the moon. The sun and moon means bright. Yes. So bright, very bright. It should be, yes, if you can see sun and moon at the same time. Yeah. So this one, you can see the bright and hiragana rui. It means the adjective bright. And then we pronounce it as akarui. Akarui. So you can see this kanji character is pronounced as aka and then rui. Yes, akarui. So we use this kanji word as e adjective. And then this one, you can see, okay, this is bright. And then this is day. Bright day. And then actually it means, this word means tomorrow. But why? Yes, bright day, once sun goes up and sun goes down and the night comes. And then next day, the sun goes up again and then becomes bright. So that's why this kanji word means the brightness comes back. So the following day, tomorrow. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yes. So we pronounce it ashita, ashita. Or we also have the different pronunciation, asu, asu. Yeah, the same kanji characters, same kanji word, and same meaning tomorrow, but we have 2 pronunciation, ashita and asu. And both means tomorrow. Ashita is used in a daily conversation. Ashita is more, the common daily words. Asu is relatively formal. And maybe when we read the notification, that tomorrow you should bring blah, 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 kind of notice. Yes, the writer intend to use the same word, but hopefully they would like you to pronounce the same word as asu, because it suits the style of the text. Yeah, so that's the same meaning, same kanji words, but we have two, actually one more. The one more reading is not so commonly used, so that's why I don't include it here. But we have actually the 3 readings for the same word. Okay, the next kanji character is this one, human. Yeah, so if it's a little bit interesting shape, but it apparently it represents the human beings. Maybe you know, like the so this is head, and this is the leg, one leg, and then second leg. Yeah, so the human beings is going forward. Yeah, right. And then if you see, oh, this is number 1, and then this is human, so it should be one person. Yes, you can guess it. And then we pronounce it as hitori, hitori. Okay, and then this one. Yes, you can guess the meaning. This is 2, and then person, human, the 2 people. And we pronounce this word as futari, futari. Okay, yes, as you can see, even if you guess the meaning, it's very difficult to know how to read it. And this is, we Japanese people have the same difficulty when we learn kanji. Yeah, so all the Japanese kids struggle. So so they use their they understand each word meaning. Oh, this should be 2 people, and then if they have enough vocabulary, okay, 2 people means futari, they can read, but sometimes they don't know how to mention the meaning of this word. So they just ask the teacher, or they just write down how to read using hiragana, and then memorize it. So that's the understand the meaning and then know or memorize how to pronounce it is just a different thing. Okay. All right. The next one is this kanji character and means big. Maybe you can imagine this is a big person. It's like the head, both arms, and then both legs. Yeah. So it means big. And we have the adjective word means big. Oki. Oki. So you can see this kanji character is pronounced as o, and ki. Oki. This is adjective word means big. And yes, so it should be big and human. Can you guess the meaning? It means adult. Yes, adult. Otona. Otona. Yes, otona means adult, and we use this kanji word. Okay. Yeah. And the next kanji character is this one, learn. You can see this part. This kanji character actually represents child, and then this part apparently represents like inside a building. So the child is learning in a building. So that's the word learn. Okay, and then we have the verb means learn, manabu, manabu. We have several words means learning. Yes, but manabu is one of them. Yes, manabu. And the next kanji character is school. We don't use just one character to represent the meaning school, but this kanji character has the meaning of school, so that's why I included in the brackets. Yes. And this kanji character, you can see this part. This part represents wood, tree. And then this part actually represents the sound, ko. So this kanji character is a combined kanji character. Yeah. So it's a little bit, maybe it's a little bit difficult to guess meaning. Yes, but now you already know. So if you can see, oh, this is len, and then this is school, so it should be school. Yes, and we pronounce this word as gakko, gakko. Okay, and the next one, yes, big, and then learn. What is big? Learn. It means university. Yes, university. 大学. 大学. Oh, sorry. 大学. Okay, so that's the what we say university. 大学. Right? So you've already learned another 5 characters and then lots of words. So I hope you can guess the meaning of each word. The first one is learn and then school. So it means school. And then this word is 学校. 学校. Okay. And then this one, this is bright and day. So it means the after night, the bright day comes again. So it means tomorrow. 明日 or 明日. Okay. And then this word is big and key. So 大きい means big, adjective word. Okay, yeah. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, I just double check. Right, and then this one, number 1, and then human. So it means one person. So 一人. And the next one, this is big, and then this is learn. So big learning is university. 大学. And the next one is sun and moon, means bright. 明るい. 明るい means the adjective word bright. Are you right? I hope you are. Is there any questions? Let me check. It seems no. Yeah. Hope you are fine now. Right. So far you've learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kanji characters and its meaning. And yeah. So let's quick revise. So this is number 1, and this kanji character means 2, and this kanji character means sun, or one sun cycle means 1 day, and this kanji character is used with this one and means a day of the week. Okay, and this kanji character means moon, or 1 moon cycle means month. This kanji character, you can see the child here. This part represents child, so it means learn. And then this kanji character means school, and then we use these two as one unit, and then 学校 school. And this kanji character, sun and moon, means bright. And then this one means big, so you can see, big human being, big person is stretch their stretch his or her arms, and then stretch his or her legs, so big. And then this one means human, people. So when we use these two characters as a one word, 大人 means adult, big person. Okay, right. So shall we move on? Sentences. I hope you're right. I hope so. Yes. If you don't know many Japanese sentences, that's totally fine. I just maybe some of you have already know lots of sentences and Japanese grammar. So I'd like to show you some example sentences, and then actually you can guess the meaning of each sentence. So let's try. The first sentence, So if you already memorize, this is bright day, so it means tomorrow. And then this one is 1 moon, it should be first month of the year. And then this is 2. And this one is san, but also day. So the second day. Oh, okay. It should be tomorrow, January the 2nd. Ah, yes. And tomorrow is pronounced as, tomorrow is January the 2nd. Yeah. So you can guess the meaning of the sentence using kanji. Yeah. So that's the important function of kanji. That's why we still use kanji. Yeah. Because when we see the sentence, we can guess the meaning. Yeah. We can almost grasp the meaning instantly because we can see the meaning for each character. And then sometimes not separately, but sometimes works as a one unit, as one word. And then, these two characters set together and it means tomorrow. So, so it's much easier for us to read kanji and hiragana and katakana together because we can grasp all the meaning very quickly. And then we just use these, hiragana letters to understand the structure of the sentence. So that's the way we read Japanese, authentic Japanese text. Okay, so, and then how we read this sentence. 明日は1月2日です。明日は1月2日です。Okay, this word is also pronounced as 明日. So you can say 明日は1月2日です。Okay. Hope so. 明日は1月2日です。So this is the romanized version. Alright, next one. Can you guess the meaning? First part, this is sun. And then these two characters works as one unit, one word. And it means a day of the week. So this is sun, day. And then this one, learn, and this one means school. And then they work together and represent the meaning school. Also Sunday and school. And then if you can read hiragana, ikimasen, it means don't go. So you can guess, on Sunday I don't go to school. 日曜日は学校へ行きません。日曜日は学校へ行きません。Alright? Yeah. 行きません means don't go. So that's the meaning of this sentence. Oh, I just show you the romanized version. 日曜日は学校へ行きません。Okay? Let's try the next one. If you can read the hiragana, 田中さんは and then, it means bride. This word works as bride. And then this word, this kanji character means human. So bright person. Yeah, so it should be Miss or Mr. Tanaka is bright person or cheerful person. Yeah. And then the reading is 田中さんは明るい人です。明るい means bright, but when we use this adjective to describe people, it normally means cheerful, the happy person. Yeah. 田中さんは明るい人です。Okay. Right, the next one. Yeah. When you see lots of kanji characters, maybe you feel, yeah, that's how we, the way we do it, we try to, to grasp the each unit. Yeah, try to find out where is each unit. Yes, and then I know this means moon. We know this is moon, and then we already learned these two characters should be together, and then represent a week of a day of the week. Yeah, so it means these three characters work together as Monday. Yeah, so I can understand. Okay, so this is a kind of border. So these three kanji characters works as one set. And then these two kanji characters work as one set. So this is one and then person. So it should be one person. Okay. And then you can find, this is big. and then learn. Or big learning should be university. Okay? So it means Monday, alone, one person, and then actually, so I said the answer, sorry. One person, there means alone, and university, 行きます. So 行きます means go. So it means on Monday, I go to university by myself, alone. Yeah. And we read this sentence as 月曜日、一人で大学へ行きます。月曜日、一人で大学へ行きます。Right? Okay, so, yeah, so that's the all what we've learned. So let's recap. We've learned so many things. Hope you all right. But I show you how to learn kanji. So understand the meaning of each kanji character. And when you understand each kanji character, of course you can see how this kanji character is read, the pronounced. But actually the most important part is this part. Yes, learn kanji words. Yeah, so understand the meaning and then use that meaning and then guess the meaning of each word and then memorize how each word is pronounced. It expands your vocabulary and then it's much easier for you to read sentences. I hope you feel how it works when you learn kanji. Yes, actually, if you learn kanji properly and then build up your vocabulary, it's much faster to understand the meaning of each sentence. Yeah, so today you've already learned 1, 2, 3 or day, and then this one work with together, the day of the week, and then this one is moon, this one learn, school, this together, school. And then sun and moon means bright. And then this one, big. And then this one, human. And then these two works together as adult, big person. Yes, you've learned 10 kanji characters. And you've learned so many words. So let me show you. This is 1, ichi. And this is a counter to count object like these kind of things. 1つ, so this one is 1つ means 1. And then this word can be two meanings. So this one, the one meaning is the first day of the month. In that case, we pronounce this kanji word as 1日. And then same kanji word, if you use this kanji word as one day, the length of time, 1日. Okay, 1日. This one and moon. So it means the first day, first month of the year. 1月 means January. 1月. And if you see ka here in the middle, 1 and the moon, but in this case, the length of time, 1 month. 1ヶ月. 1ヶ月. Okay. And then this one is 1. And then this kanji character means human. So one human is one person. 一人. 一人. Okay. And then here, number 2. You can see 2 lines, so number 2. And then when we use this number 2 as count object, 2つ. 2つ. And then this kanji word, 2 and day. So the second day of the month or 2 days. 2日. 2日. This one, 2 and month. The second month of the year. 2月 means February. 2月. And when you find ka here, it means 2 months. Okay, 2 month period. So 2ヶ月. 2ヶ月. And this one, 2 and person. 2人. 2人, 2 people. Okay, you've learned so many more. This one, 1 and the month. So first month of the year, 1月 and 2 days. So second day, 1月2日 January the 2nd. And this one, February 1st. 2月1日 2月1日 And then you can see sun, and these two characters works together to represent a day of the week. So Sunday, 日曜日 日曜日 And then this one is moon, and then a day of the week. So 月曜日 means Monday, moon day. 月曜日 And then this one, learn and school. So it means school. 学校 学校 And then this one, big. And then learn. So big learning means university. 大学大学 Then this one, learn. 学ぶ means learn. 学ぶ And this one, sun and moon. 明るい means bright. Adjective word. 明るい And then bright day means after night. Bright day. Start again. 明日 or 明日 means tomorrow. 明日 or 明日 And then this kanji character means big. So this word means big. 大きい大きい And then big person means adult. 大人大人 Are you alright? Yes, I hope so. Yeah. Yes, so you've learned, this is, nearly, but less than 1 hour, 10 kanji characters, and then 23 related words. Yeah. That's brilliant, isn't it? Yes, I know you may feel, but I can get the meaning, but I'm not quite sure I can pronounce each kanji word properly. That's true. Yeah. But when we read, the most important part is guessing the meaning. And then kanji, each character represents each meaning. And then when they work together, each kanji word represents the meaning. So that's the way actually we Japanese read the text. Yeah. So sometimes we can get the meaning, but we don't know how to pronounce each kanji word. And then at that point, we use a dictionary or ask other people to know how to pronounce it. So first understand each character's meaning, and then understand each word meaning, and then memorize how to read them. Yeah. So that's the quickest way to build up your vocabulary and then read Japanese sentences much faster. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you're interested in learning authentic Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get the notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね